In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize background in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clip or image you want to use as your main content by clicking on the import button and selecting your file. Now, add it to the timeline. To add a background to our video, first adjust its scale to your preferred size using the scale slider. After that, go to the toolbar and select Canvas. This will open a range of background options for you to choose from. Here, you can see different categories of the background, such as blur, color, and patterns. Select a category that suits your video theme. Click on a category to apply it to your video. You can see a preview of how it looks in the preview window. Try different categories available until you achieve your desired look. Once you're done, play back your video to see how the background looks with your main content. Once you're satisfied with your customized background, click the export button to save your video. And that's it! You've successfully added and customized background in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!